in the market for my first Tig Welder, and after some research and a lot of recommendations, I purchased myself the SWS Alumtig 200 amp AC DC machine. Packed full of features, let's take a look at what is included. Sold with two torches, the first torch shown is a 17 series with a 360 degree swivel head. It has adjustable remote amperage control and it has an 8 meter long cable wrapped in a leather and nylon sheath. The second torch shown is a 9 or 17 series torch, also with a 360 degree swivel head, and it has a 4 meter long flexible cable. The earth clamp has a 3.8 meter long cable, and I think the SWS branding on the cable sheath is a nice touch. The foot pedal has a metal housing and a 3.8 meter long cable. Again, I think the SWS branding on the grip tape is a nice touch. The braided gas hose is 2 meters in length and has a quick connect fitting on the machine end. A dual flow regulator is included. It has two 25 litre per minute flow meters and a 4000 psi pressure gauge. A box full of consumables is included. It has 17 series 1.6mm and 2.4mm stubby gas lens kits, wedge collets, 2% lanthanated tungstens, gas flow rate checker, and some back caps. 3 years warranty comes standard with the machine, but a further 2 years can be extended once you've registered your machine. The operation manual can be downloaded by scanning the QR code on the paperwork. The machine has an LCD display and a 3.8 meter long power cable with a 15 amp plug. The cooling fan is loud, however it is temperature controlled and only comes on when required. There is a lot of menus and settings that I could do a whole video on, but I'll go through some of the basics. There is your 2T, 4T or timed tack control menu, pulse menu to turn pulse on or off, current menu to select between DC or AC currents. In the weld menu, gas pre-flow is adjustable from 1/10 of a second all the way up to 10 seconds. Upslope is adjustable from 0 seconds to 9.9 seconds. Downslope is adjustable from 0 to 9.9 seconds. Gas post flow is adjustable from 0.5 seconds to 20 seconds. There is also a presets menu where up to 5 welding presets can be saved. With the pulse feature selected, pulse peak and base amps can be adjusted. Pulse frequency is adjustable from 0.1 Hz to 500 Hz. Pulse peak time is adjustable from 10% to 90%. With AC current selected, wave types can be chosen between square, soft square, sine, and triangle waves. AC frequency is adjustable from 10 Hz to 200 Hz. AC balance is adjustable from 50% to 98%. In the presets menu, up to 5 presets can be saved. Also, within the settings menu, there is an arc on time meter. If you've got any questions, chuck them in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching.